everybody. I'm here at the end of my vacation, but I couldn't stop thinking about the new exciting DSD solutions, and I want to share with you a very special new workflow that is only available because of very fresh new partnerships that we just made. The Dsd company with super high-end other companies with amazing products as well. So let me share with you what I call the DSD Smile Test Drive Journey. Okay? The DSD Smile Test Drive Journey. So in this journey you have a couple of players. Okay? First you have you, the doctor. The doctor is right here with his patient right there. Okay? So this is one player. You and your patient. Then on this side you have the DSD app. Important player. On the bottom, you have another very important player on the Smile journey, and that is the Dsd Planning Center, where I am right now here in Madrid, the Dsd Planning Center. Okay? And here on this corner, we have a very new partner, amazing company that everybody knows, called Formlabs. Formlabs produces probably the coolest, best cost benefit printer in the market. And I'm very happy to announce that DSD we're just launching right now this collaboration, Formlabs and DSD. We're going to start working immediately with both teams on developing amazing solutions, amazing workflows, combined workflows. But already in the next DSD residency in Toronto next week, we will be officially launching this collaboration, special discounts, bundles with the DSD app and the Planning Center, and that's actually the main reason why I'm explaining this workflow. So right here we have Formlabs. And Formlabs, as you know, is a printer. We also have a couple of other players, okay? Together at the beginning of this workflow, we have a very important player here, the intraoral scanner, and our partner, Untitled. Another player, together with the Dsd Planning Center, is the Dsd Manufacturing Center, or as we call, the Dsd Lab. Okay, so let's see how these players work together. So let's pretend that you have a new patient here, and this new patient has a smile, and there's a couple of things you can improve. This is a patient that needs a better smile. We can improve their smile. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the app. Right, to take quick pictures. And you're going to use the scanner to take a quick scan, and with these simple pictures that you can do in a few minutes and a simple scan also in a few minutes, the patient is inside the DSD app. Okay? So what can you do with the DSD app? Everybody knows the first thing we can do chairside in 3 minutes is the smile simulation. We all know that. As you do the smile simulation chairside, you can explain, educate, motivate with a quick and easy and beautiful tool, as thousands of doctors all over the world are doing. Now, this 2D project, so we have a 2D smile simulation project that you do with the app chairside. You can link this project in one click because the app is now completely connected to the Planning Center. Okay? So with one click, this project comes to the Planning Center. What we do in the Planning Center, our major or the first entry product from the Planning Center is the 3D Smile Design project. Of course, we can simulate all kinds of treatment plans, interdisciplinary simulation, complex interdisciplinary support in all specialties, but the first step is to create a facially driven 3D smile design project, right? So in fact, what you're doing here, you're using the app to document with iTero. Everything is embedded in the app. This documentation comes here with your 2D smile simulation as a starting point if you wish, and the team here at the Planning Center will use this documentation and your simulation and will perform for you a 3D smile design, right? 3D smile design. On this flow we have this line. This line separates. Below this line, everything that is happening below this line is happening on the DSD company environment, and everything that happens above this line is happening in your office, the dentist environment. Okay? So we started here, you with your patient deserves a better smile. You're going to use the app to take quick pictures, DSD documentation. You're going to use your iTero to scan them out. Since the iTero is connected to the app, the files will come here inside the app. One click, you can outsource the documentation, and the Planning Center can produce a 3D smile design for you. Okay? What happens now that we have a 3D file, a new smile for your patient? We're going to send it back to you, and you're going to take advantage of this new collaboration that DSD is having with Formlabs. Amazing collaboration, amazing solutions. Formlabs is coming out with beautiful tooth color, FDA approved materials that we can do the DSD mock-up, the DSD shells, DSD provisionals, everything chairside. As I've been saying for 10 years, you know, if I was a dentist, the first thing I would buy would be a printer, a chairside printer. Okay? So now finally we have this link beautifully happening. So you got your Formlabs, you have your in-house printer, so you are in-house now, printing everything you need. So the file comes from the Planning Center and you print. Now you print your model to do your mock-up, you print your shell to do the mock-up shell, you print the smile test drive for your patient. So now you go back to your patient, and instead of having a smile that is not that great, now you're going to try very quickly here the new smile, and you're going to have this beautiful new smile going on. Okay? So this is the first flow. You with your patient, DSD app, iTero scanner, outsource the 3D design, get the file, print on your chairside printer, go back to the mouth and create the emotional dentistry experience, the beautiful smile design experience with your patient.